Hello, fabric enthusiasts. Welcome back to FabFlaire. Today, we're delving into the fascinating realm of fabric finishes and treatments. Fabrics, beyond their raw form, undergo intricate processes to enhance their performance, functionality, and aesthetics. Join us as we explore some of the most common types of fabric finishes: functional finishes, performance finishes, chemical or wet finishes, and mechanical finishes. Functional finishes. Functional finishes are transformative treatments applied to fabrics, endowing them with specific properties that enhance their utility for particular applications. These finishes address practical concerns, making textiles more adaptive to various environments and user needs. Waterproofing is a standout functional finish, shielding fabrics from moisture and ensuring they remain dry in wet conditions. This is especially vital for outdoor gear like jackets and tents. Flame resistance is another critical functional finish, imparting fabrics with the ability to resist or delay combustion, making them suitable for protective workwear. Antibacterial finishes inhibit the growth of bacteria on fabrics, a particularly valuable feature for sportswear and undergarments, ensuring hygiene and comfort. UV resistance, prevalent in fabrics exposed to sunlight, prevents the penetration of harmful rays, making these textiles ideal for outdoor apparel. Functional finishes go beyond aesthetics. They address specific challenges, turning fabrics into high-performing materials, tailored to meet the demands of diverse industries and lifestyles. Performance finishes. Performance finishes are advanced treatments designed to elevate the overall functionality and capabilities of fabrics, enhancing their performance in specific contexts. These finishes target various aspects to meet the evolving demands of consumers in diverse fields. Moisture wicking is a standout performance finish, enabling fabrics to draw moisture away from the body. Commonly found in activewear, sportswear, and outdoor gear, this finish enhances comfort during physical activities. Wrinkle resistance is another prized performance feature, ensuring fabrics maintain a smooth appearance, reducing the need for ironing. Stain resistance, vital for fabrics prone to spills, repels stains, making cleaning easier and extending the life of the fabric. Thermal insulation, essential for cold climates, enhances the fabric's ability to retain heat, providing warmth without compromising comfort. Performance finishes not only cater to specific needs, but also contribute to the longevity and versatility of textiles. By augmenting fabrics with these advanced treatments, manufacturers create materials that align with the expectations of modern consumers, balancing practicality with aesthetic appeal. Chemical or wet finishes. Chemical or wet finishes represent a category of treatments where fabrics undergo processes involving the application of various solutions or chemicals. These finishes play a pivotal role in altering the properties and characteristics of textiles, enhancing their appeal and functionality. Mercerization is a prominent wet finish, notably applied to cotton. This process improves the luster, strength, and dye affinity of cotton fibers, resulting in a silkier and more vibrant fabric. Calendaring involves passing fabric through heated rollers, smoothing its surface for a polished appearance. Sizing, a wet finish applied to warp yarns before weaving, improves their strength, contributing to the overall stability of the fabric. Bleaching is another vital wet finish, removing color from the fabric to create a white or light-colored base for subsequent dyeing. Chemical or wet finishes showcase the adaptability of textiles, allowing manufacturers to tailor fabrics to meet specific requirements and achieve desired aesthetics. These intricate processes play a crucial role in the production of diverse textiles, influencing their performance, appearance, and overall quality. Mechanical finishes. Mechanical finishes encompass a range of treatments that involve manipulating fabrics through various mechanical processes to achieve specific effects. These techniques, applied after the weaving or knitting stages, impart unique textures and characteristics to textiles. Brushing is a common mechanical finish, involving the raising of fibers on the fabric's surface, resulting in a softer and fuzzier texture. This is often employed in creating warm and comfortable fabrics like flannel and fleece. Shearing is a process where the surface fibers of the fabric are trimmed to create a smooth texture, commonly found in velvet and corduroy fabrics for a sleek appearance. Embossing utilizes pressure and heat to create raised patterns or textures on the fabric, adding a decorative element. Creasing, another mechanical finish, introduces intentional wrinkles or creases, giving a relaxed, lived-in look to casual wear. Mechanical finishes contribute to the diversity of textiles, offering an array of textures and appearances that cater to different preferences and purposes. And there you have it, a comprehensive exploration of fabric finishes and treatments. From enhancing functionality and performance to altering properties through wet and mechanical processes, these treatments play a pivotal role in shaping the textiles we interact with every day. It was fun to have you join us on these fabrics learning journey. In our upcoming videos, we'll be diving even deeper into each type, unraveling the intricacies of functional finishes, performance finishes, wet finishes, and mechanical finishes. So, stay tuned for in-depth explorations and a closer look at the innovations shaping the future of textiles.